Dzień dobry, everyone. Good afternoon. It's fika time. Coffee o'clock. So it's our time. My favorite coffee shop, Soba, and look at surround. Busy. I'm ordering my hot cappuccino. It's a huge cup, the large one, and with a cake. Today I have something tart. Actually they have a promotion like 19 zloty for sweet, but I ordered the biggest cup because I feel like I need to have a big cappuccino in the morning. And today this week is holiday, so I decided to go to the mall because I need to buy something. So that was my coffee over there, and now it's time to explore because I only brought my one big luggage from Bali to Poland, so obviously I didn't have enough shirt or clothes. So now I am in Poznania. It's basically the most fanciest shopping mall. I know it's shopping again because I only bring one suitcase because Damian told me you live in Europe, so there must be different types of clothes that you will wear, because obviously now I'm living in a four seasons country. And now it is summertime and I didn't bring that much clothes, so yeah. Something that I like about this Poznania mall is there are so many nice brands. Oh, that's the CAs. I think that last time somebody recommend me to go there. There are so many fancy dresses or clothes. I will go there. And surround me, this mall is just like 2 or 3 stairs, but everything you can find here. You see, because nowadays it is summer, so of course the clothes and everything is changed. So yeah, this is it. And next to me is a makeup shop, so I will go first to CNA because somebody last time recommend me. And of course there is a sitting with the charging station. I am in CA. Very nice, right? And now it already summer collection. As you see, there are so many beautiful collection. There is Zara, and that one is Stradivarius, and I think that one there is H&M. So yeah, let's go. And Primark as well. I'll go there. I found one nice shopping here, sunglasses, and I bought this one. Very nice. I like shopping for 30 zloty. I bought earrings and rings. About this one, 30 zloty. All is about 120,000 rupiah. I'll show you how it is look. I bought this one, and I bought this one. Very good price. Someone asked me where did I shop with a very affordable price, and you have to find out the promotion as well. So here in Poznania there are so many affordable price, and yeah, so nice. I plan to buy shoes for the boot as well because we will go somewhere and I have to wear proper shoes. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna find. And spend my time hours and hours here in the shopping. And next to me is the Deichmann. So where did I buy my good quality bag? It's just about 200,000 rupiah last time I bought with Damian. So I will go there to find another stuff. I hope that I can find my boots there. It's time to go to the different spot. That's over there is New Yorker. Look at this one. So many nice shop basically, and this one is the waiting. Damian always wait there while I'm shopping. And look at this billboard and look at the ceiling. It is so fancy. So you know that where I am when I spend my time for shopping. Okay, let's go to the Primark. I like to go there as well, so let's go. Basically there are so many affordable product. The price range 100k until 500k, and it's summer obviously, and so many very nice product. Let's go. Only 28 zloty, and that one is 30 zloty. Let's go. It's time to check out, and here is the kiwi. I like about this mall is very bright and so many nice brand here. And the most important thing is there is a charging station wherever you are. In the second floor there are so many nice brand here and the place for charging my phone, and it's just like one stop shopping and doing so many things. Okay, so now let's go over there. Maybe we can find something to eat. I really like the architecture of this mall. It's very bright and inside it's very nice. Oh, yeah, so many nice brand here. So no wonder then this mall is, I think, that the best mall in Poznan. Poznania. Bright and sunny today. You see the outside, and that actually the building that were built during communism era, that maybe many people don't really like it, but it's okay, that's still there. And in front of me you see this that's gonna be a brand new building in the front, and here in the second floor is the co-working spaces, so you can do everything here basically. If you wonder that shopping again, so yeah, this is daily vlog, right? I'll show you what I'm doing daily, and part of my daily life is going to shop, so I show you the best shopping mall in Poznan. Also another charging station, and oh, they have a special seat here for the massage. Zara, Bershka, Nauko, yes, many nice brands actually here. And look at this one. Wow, I really like the architecture, the building basically. Fancy. So that is another entrance, so security is everywhere, so that's why it is very safe here. Down there Starbucks, and then up, I think that this area is basically the food section, and then the restaurant is everywhere, and just like this. And the thing is that the charging section is everywhere, so let's go there and let's see what we're gonna eat today. So basically this is how the point of view outside. There are so many brand here, and in front of me there are so many brand new apartment. Wow, this is like the brand new and the old things at the same time. Look, many people are eating outside, sitting outside, and over there, yes, you see the gray building. That's the building actually that was built over there. You see, that was a building that is built during the communism era, but still there, they don't destroy it. And that's in the front is the statue, and here is the sitting place outside. So many people sitting outside because it's very bright, sunny, and it's hot basically. So yeah, this is how the traffic situation under control. Hot, bright, and sunny outside. I think that I will buy food, and I prefer to sit inside, more more cooler. So yeah, let's go back and let's see what we're gonna eat. It was outside here. Oh, that's special place for the playground, I think. And this is also another playground. And let's see what we're gonna eat. Not McDonald's, not KFC, but look at this, so busy. Almost all tables are taken. Let's see. And you see that everywhere is charging station. So bardzo polecam. They have sushi here. They have a KFC, Northeast, pasta, Thai work, salad, Berlin doner kebab. Last time I eat there with Damian, but it's not that really nice. But maybe I was not lucky at the time. Let's buy something. Let's buy drink in Zapka. Cost me about 20 zloty. Fries, lemonade, and this big burger. Oh, so huge. Smacznego. I just finished my lunch, and then what I see is that in this mall, if the Asian food relating to the Asian cuisine, it will be more pricey than the Western food. So I hope that my husband will not be angry. Today I spent quite a lot, but yeah, I was so happy. So before I go home, let's calculate how much I spent. My coffee cost me 23 zloty and my lunch cost me 20 zloty. So all my food and beverages cost me 40 zloty. And then I bought 2 pairs of pants, long pants, about 40 zloty. So 40 plus 40, already 80. And then I bought 7 pairs of socks, another 13, 40, 80 plus 13, 93. And then I bought my earrings, 4 earrings and rings, about another 30. So I spent today around 123 zloty. So almost the same like my grocery shopping yesterday. So this is basically the shopping center, and more people are coming. And because it's a holiday week, look at this beautiful statue, and it's time to walk home and burn the calories. Let's go. It's very beautiful, sunny today. It's about 27 degrees. It's hot. Chekai means wait. And look at that, the place basically surrounded by a brand new one, and also the old building over there. We will go there. Go home is about 1 hour walking. It's about 5 kilometers. That's okay. Look at this beautiful statue. Very nice. And this is my outfit today. Skirt and shirt. It's very hot. Let's go. But it's not humid, but it's enjoyable to walk. Let's go home. Right, so it's time to go home. It is another day of my life in Poznan, Poland. So I think that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Do widzenia. So basically that's the traffic. Someone riding a bike, a tram. Let's go home time. So in front of me is Warta River. You see many people are already going out, having a picnic next to the river, riding bicycles, sunbathing, and it is a very nice weather. And look at the road. I think over there is a church, and over there somewhere is the Malta Lake. Maybe next time we will go there. That's the building over there. If you can see, that's the Stary Browar. Oh, this is what actually happened when the tram going. Very nice.